A hearing loop system for an organization's boardroom, meeting facility, or small customer service station is a great way to provide accessible services for the hard of hearing. A person with a T-coil hearing aid can hear the transmission without any additional equipment. The T-coil sign lets people know that a hearing loop assistive listening services are available within the facility that displays such a sign. We have a hearing loop system configured at Inland AV Winnipeg Videoconferencing Suite. Book a demonstration and learn about the hearing loop system components, installation, and operation. If you have a T-coil hearing aid, you are ready for the demonstration. If you do not have a hearing aid, we have a demonstration receivers and headsets for you to use. Call myself, Dwayne, at 204-786-6521 to book your demonstration.